Hi guys! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good day. RJYC Vlog here. Alam nyo ba na ang sinungaling ay kapatid ng magnanakaw at ang magnanakaw ay kapatid ng mandaraya. So magkakapatid yung mga yan. Magkakamag-anak sila. So what does it mean by that? That means na may bulong-bulungan, and obviously it's gonna happen because these people are sinungaling and magnanakaw. Of course, they're gonna be mandaraya too. So, may bulong-bulungan na dadayain nila yang halalan. Dadayain nila yang pagboto ng taong bayan sa May 12. Pero, meron kayong pwedeng gawin para maiwasan yan. And that is, ang bumoto kayo ng bonggang-bongga para matambakan yung mga kalaban nyo. In that case, kung tambak sila, mahirap nilang dayain yung kapag ang difference is millions of people, right? So, you have to be vigilant and tell your relatives and your family na magmatsyag, at kung kinakailangang magbantay kayo sa bilangan ay gawin nyo. Kasi according sa aking puting-kuting ay magkakaroon ng dayaan sa halalan. Which is always naman nangyayari yan. Nangyayari talaga yan. Kasi nga maraming mga ulupong na gustong mag-stay in power, kaya nandadaya sila. Okay? So, what you do, and for you to avoid that to happen, na mag-succeed sila sa kanilang pandadaya, is kailangan yung bumoto ng bonggang-bongga. Na pag yung bumoto kayo, is sobrang laki ng lamang. Para hindi nila basta-basta lang madadaya yung numbers. Okay? So, like for example, if the kalaban is 5 million, and you're already in 12 million, mahirap pantayan yan. Mahirap anuhin yan. Kumbaga, dayain yan. Pero pag konting-konting numbers lang, madali lang nilang dayain yan. Okay? So, you have to tell all your relatives and your family to be vigilant and vote straight the PDP laban. Okay? Kasi ayaw na natin bumalik sa pambubudol ng mga ginayupak na mga kaalyado ni Bangagers. Okay? Ni Team Sinusuka. Ang mga Team Sinusuka ay hindi na dapat makabalik pa sa pwesto. But you can only do that if you vote straight PDP laban. Okay? So, I hope you guys are listening because I've heard they're gonna do that. But the only thing you can avoid that to happen is magboto kayo ng bonggang-bongga straight vote for PDP laban. Okay? Anyways, I'll talk to you later, guys. I'll see you again later, and we have to be vigilant, and kung kinakailangan yung kausapin yung mga kamag-anak nyo na maki-involve sa pagbibilang, bantayan ang pagbibilang, at bantayan nyo rin yung mga boto nyo. At kung kinakailangan magpakalat kayo ng mga sample ballot para may listahan na yung mga kamag-anak nyo at hindi na sila titingin pa sa iba, you can do that as well. Okay? So, let's make all our PDP labans, PRRD slate win. Okay? And for that to happen, everyone should do the vote straight PDP laban. Okay? Thank you, guys. I'll see you again and talk to you again later. Again, this is RJYC Vlog, and thank you for all your support and your subscription. God bless. Bye-bye.